वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं मयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय मृत्यवे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। You can repeat. पुनरपि प्रकारान्तरेण ब्रह्मतत्त्वनिर्धारणार्थः अयम् आरम्भः।
ब्रह्मतत्त्वनिर्धारणार्थ अयम् आरम्भः।
दुर्विज्ञेयत्वात् ब्रह्मणः
दुर्विज्ञेयत्वात् ब्रह्मणः
पुरम् एकादशद्वारम्
पुरम् एकादशद्वारम्
अजस्या वक्रचेतसः
अजस्यावक्रचेतसः
अनुष्ठाय न शोचति
अनुष्ठाय न शोचति
मुक्तश्च विमुच्यते
विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यते
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्।
We saw the meaning of this mantra. Ekadasha dvaram puram idam shariram. Puram iva idam shariram. Ajasya means janmadi shad vikara ragitasya. Ajasya, that which is not born. Ajasya doesn't have the Shat Vikaras, all the sixfold modifications not there. And it is Avakara Chetasaha, Avakram Visa in the Bhashyam, it is Akutilam, it is undistorted, unchanging. Avakara, Avakram is unchanging. And Avakara Chetasaha, Surya Prakashavat, Sarva Vishayakam Chetaha, Maya Vritti Atmakam Jnanam, Yasya Saha Avakra Chetasaha Bashakara, gave the Vyutpatti for that. Avakra Chetasaha, referring to Atma, Atmanaha, Atmanaha, Atmanaha is Shashti Bhakti. Avakra Ajasya, Avakra Chetasaha, Atmanaha, Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam is Atma. Atma is Chaitanya. Atma is consciousness. So the Shashti Vibhakti to be taken as Pratama Vibhakti. It is not, the Shashti is Sambandha Shashti. Ajasya Atmanaha Avakara Chetasaha means Chaitanyam doesn't belong to Atma because it is a Chaitanyam is Atma. So that is why Raghoho Shiraha, we say Raghoho Shiraha means the head of a Ragu. Ragu is head only. So we say the Shashti is like that Shashti. Raghoho Shiravat Shashti, we saw in the last class. Then Puram Tasya Atmanaha Brahmanaha Puram Girgatulyam Idam Shariram. The Shariram which is like the city. And another Tikakara says Girgatulyam Idam Shariram Girgaswaminam Puraswami Girgaswami. Puram means city, Girgam is house. So in this body, which is compared to the city, which is compared to the house, who is the Raja, Puraswami, or who is the Girgaswami? Girgaswaminam Atmanam Anushtaya. Anushtayanam means knowing. Abedena Jnatva, that is Anushtaya. Anushtaya means not observing. Jnatva. Anushtaya is Jnatva. Katam Jnatva. Abedena. Abedena Jnatva na shochati. Kaha na shochati? Jnani, Vidwan. Panditaha. Panditaha na shochati. Why? Because Shoka Hetu Dukkha Janaka Drishyasya Vastava Sambandha Abhavat Shokam na karoti. That is, it is because the Shoka Hetu is Dukkha, and the generator of Dukkham, it has no connection with the generator of Dukkham. Vastava Sambandha Abhavat. Really speaking, there is no sambandha there because of the absence of sambandha with that which generates dukkham, that is the cause of the shoka. Therefore, shokam na karoti. Anatma is the hetu. Anatma creates dukkham. Therefore, that is the hetu. Then he knows he is not anatma. In fact, everything is atma. Therefore, Shokam na karoti. With the shoka vastu, that sambandha must be there, connection must be there. Since it is not there, because of abeda drishti, because of advaita drishti, therefore shokam na karoti. Therefore vimuktaha, nityamuktaha, rupaha, vimuktaha, vimuchyate. Vimuktaha, vimuchyate iti. Advitiya Atma Jnanat. Because of this Advitiya, Advaita Atma Jnanam, Tasmat Advitiya Atma Jnanat. This Ajnana which is Kalpita, and that is the cause for the Bandha. So this Kalpita Ajnana Rupa Bandha Rakitaha Bhavati Ityartaha. That is called Mukti. Advitiya Atma Jnanat Kalpita Ajnana Rupa Bandha Rakitaha Bhavati Iti Artaha Muktaha Bhavati. Muktaha, that is the meaning of the Mukti. Why this Shariram is compared to the city? Because Ekadasha Dwaram. Purasya Dwaradi Tvam Dwaradi Matvat Shariram Puramidam Katamuchyate. If it is asked, then it is said Ekadasha Dwaram iti. What are those Dwaram? That also Bhashyakara said Dve Shrotre, Dve Chakshushi, Dve Nasike, Ekam Mukham, Brahmarandram, Nabhyasah Trini, Arvanchi iti Ekadasha Dwarani Yasya. Tat Ekadasha Dwaram iti. So this body with this 11 gated, this body is called 11 gated cities. It has got 11 gates. This body, and this body belongs to the Atma, which do not have Janma, which is Avakkara Chetaha, which is of the nature of unchanging Chaitanyam. Knowing this, the person becomes free while living. Jivan Muktaha. Then after giving up the Deha, it becomes Videha Muktaha iti. This is the meaning which we saw in the last class, even before that. The Bhashyam we read. We can quickly read the Bhashyam. Puramiva Puram.
Puramiva Puram.
Dvarapala Adhishtatra.
Dvarapala
Dvarapala Adhishtatradi.
Dvarapala
Aneka Pura Upakarana Sampatti.
Aneka Upakarana Sampatti
Darshanat
Darshanat
Shariram Puram.
Shariram Puram.
This we saw. Shariram is Puram. Puramiva Shariram. Idam Shariram. Why? Because this body is like a city. Why it is like a city compared to a city? Because Darshanat, because it is seen like you see in the city. What you see, it has Sampatti. Sampatti means, Sampatti is wealth. What wealth it has? It has got Sampatti, the wealth, or the accessories, or the agents in the form of Dvarapala Adhishtatradi, like the Dvara gate and Dvara Pala, the gatekeeper, the in charge, etc. So all these are seen. All these are seen in the Sharira, which we saw in detail. So that is the meaning of this line. Then the next line, Puram cha sopakaranam.
Puram cha shobhakaranam.
Svatmana.
Swatmanaha.
Svatmana asamghataha.
Swatmana.
Svatmana asamghata swatantriya swamyartam drishtam.
Swatmana asamhata swatantra swamartyam drishtam.
Puram cha sopakaranam. And the city, along with its upakaranam, along with its upakaranam, constituents, upakaranam, along with the services, upakaranam, asamghata Swatantra Swamyartam Drishtam. It is for the sake of whom? It is for the sake of Swami. Puraswami, the master. Who is Swatantra? Who is independent, who is free, and who is Asamhata, is not put together. Like the Shariram is put together. It is an assemblage. But Swami is not an assemblage. He is not part of the assemblage also. Drishtam, it is seen. This is observed. This we know. The next line. Tata idam pur idam tata idam
तथा इदं
purasamanyat
पुरसामान्यात्
पुरसामान्यात्
अनेक उपकरण संहतं शरीरम
अनेक
अनेक उपकरण
उपकरणसंहतं
संहतं
शरीरं
शरीरं
स्वात्मना
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 असंहत राजस्थानीय स्वाम्यर्थं भवितुम् अर्हति
असंहत
असंहत
राजस्थानी
राजस्थानीय
स्वाम्यर्थं
स्वामर्थ्यं
भवितुम्
भवितुम्
अर्हति
अर्हति
तथा idam in the same way. Similarly, Purasamanyat Aneka Upakarana Samhatam Shariram, this body which is Samhatam, which is put together, which is an assemblage, assembled because of many things, many Upakaranam, many accessories are there, many services are there. So, because of the similarity to the city, therefore, as the Puram has got a king, a Raja, similarly, this body also must be there for the purpose of serving the master. Rajasthaniya Swamyartam Bhavitum Hargati. It ought to be for the Rajasthaniya, for the Raja. It has to be for the, as the Puram is for the Raja, so too this body should be for serving the master, for the purpose of master. Who is that is for us this the Swami who is in the Shari, who resides in Shariram is comparable. Rajasthaniya is comparable to the king, and he is not Samhata. It's not an assemblage. It's not an assemblage, and he is not part of this Shariram. As Puraswami is not part of the Puram, the Raja is not a part of the Puram, the city. Similarly, this Sharira Swami, this Deva Swami, this Graha Swami is also a part of the assemblage. It is not an assemblage, he is not an assemblage, and he is not part of this body assemblage. This we saw. Then the next line. Tacha idam
तच्च
तच्च
इदं
इदं
Sharirakyam Puram
शरीराख्यं
शरीराख्यं
पुरं
पुरम्
Ekadashatvaram
एकादशद्वारम्
Ekadashatvarani Asya Sapta Sheshanyani
एकादश द्वाराणि अस्य सप्त
शीर्षण्यानि
शीर्षण्यानि
नाभ्यासः अर्वाञ्चि त्रीणि
नाभ्यासः अर्वाञ्चि त्रीणि
शिरसि एकम्
शिरसि एकम्
तैः एकादश द्वारं पुरम्
तैः एकादश द्वारं पुरम्.
Oh, this Puram is called Ekadasha Dwaram, he says. Idam Sharirakyam Idam Puram, this Sharira which is called the body, this city which is called the body, Sharirakyam Idam Puram, it has got Ekadasha Dwaram. What are those Ekadasha Dwaram? Sapta Shishanyani. Shishanya. Shishanyam, Shishanye, Shishanyani. And they are Sapta. 7 are there in the head. 7 on the head. We know what they are, we saw. Nabhyasaha. Nabhyasaha Arvanchi Trini. Along with the navel, there are three located below, and there is one on the Shiras, that is Brahmarandra. So total Ekadasha Dwaram. 7 plus 3 plus 1, 11. Ekadasha Dwaram. This we have seen. This line also we have seen. Then the next line. Kasya
Kasya
Tasya
Ajasya
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 Kasya, of whom this body is Ajasya. For the Ajasya. Ajasya Janmadi Vikriya Ragitasya
Ajasya
Janmadi
Janmadi
Vikriya
Vikriya
Rahitasya
Rahitasya
Atmanaha
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 Rajasthaniyasya
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 Puradharma Vilakshanasya.
Puradharma
Puradharma
Vilakshanasya
Vilakshanasya
For whom this Shariram is Kasya Ajasya. Ajasya, that which doesn't have Janma, Ajasya, that is Vikriya Ragitasya, that is which is free from modifications. Vikriya Ragitasya. Modifications like what? Modifications like Janma, Marana, Ityadi. Free from such modifications, and therefore this Shariram, this is this Shariram, which is for this Ajasya Atmanaha, which is for the sake of this Atma, which is free from modifications. And the Shariram is comparable to Rajasthaniyasya, comparable to king, is comparable to king, and it is free from the qualities of the Shariram. The Puraswami is free, is different from the dharma of the Puraswami, is free from the dharma of the Sharira. Sharira dharma and Puraswami, the Sharira Swami dharma is different. There is a Vilakshana. Shariram is Vikari. Puraswami is Nirvikari. Shariram is as God. Shariram is Jayate, Mriyate. Puraswami is Ajaha. It is Avakrachesasaha. So, therefore, dharma, the dharmas are different. The dharmas are different. So, therefore, Vilakshanasya, between the Puram and the Puraswami, as the Vilakshanam, Dharma Vilakshanam is there, similarly from this Shariram and the Sharira Swami, there is Vilakshanam. There is Dharma Vilakshanam. There is Dharma Vilakshanam. Dharmas are different, not Salakshanam, Vilakshanam, totally different. The characteristics of the Shariram and that of the Sharira Swami, they are different. Sharira Swami doesn't have the dharma of the Shariram. It is in fact totally opposite. It is totally opposite. The attributes of the Shariram are not the attributes of the Sharira Swami. It is Vilakshanam. Therefore, Puradharma Vilakshanasya. Rajasthaniyasya Puradharma Vilakshanasya. This Atma is comparable to the Raja of the Puram, and the Raja of the Puram is as Dharma, which is different from the Puradharma. Puraswaminaha Dharma, Puradharma with Puradharmat Vilakshanam. Puradharma is different from the Puradharma. Tadvat, like that. Then the next line. Avakrachetasaha.
Avakrachetasaha
Avakrachetasaha
Avakram Akutilam.
Avakram
Avakram
Akutilam
Akutilam
Aditya Prakashavat.
Aditya
Aditya
Prakashavat
Prakashavat
नित्यम् एव
नित्यम्
नित्यम्
एव
एव
अवस्थितम् एकरूपम्
अवस्थितम्
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 एकरूपम्
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 चेतः
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 विज्ञानम् अस्य इति
विज्ञानम्
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 अस्य
अस्य
इति
इति
अवक्रचेताः
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 तस्य अवक्रचेतसः राजस्थानीयस्य ब्रह्मणः
तस्य
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 अवक्रचेतसः
अवक्रचेतसः
राजस्थानीयस्य
राजस्थानीयस्य
ब्रह्मणः
ब्रह्मणः
We saw this line also. Avakrachetasa means the one whose Avakrachetasaha is Shashti Vibhakti. The one whose status, that is consciousness, it is not changing, undistorted. The one whose consciousness, it means the consciousness and the possessor of the consciousness, the two things seems to be there. There are no two things. Atma is Chaitanyam, consciousness. So the Shashti Vibhakti, it is not Sambandha Shashti. Atma Chaitanyam eva. So that is clarified. That is Cheta, the consciousness. The consciousness of the Atma. Atma is consciousness and it is avakra. It is undistorted, unchanging. And which is always uniform. Aditya Prakashavata, like sunlight. Like the light of the sun. Aditya Prakashavat, the Prakasha, the light of the sun, it is uniform, it doesn't change. Tadvat, this Atma, which is consciousness, Vijnanam. Tadvat Vijnanam Asya Asti iti Avakra Chetaha. Tadvat, this consciousness, Vijnanam Asya Asti. That which has a consciousness like that of a sun, uniform, not changing, of the nature of unchanging consciousness, and it is comparable to a king. Rajasthaniyasya Brahmanaha iti. Therefore, avakram chetaha yasya saha avakra chetaha tasya avakra chetasaha. And avakra chetasam, it is akutilam, it is not differentiated, it is undistorting, it is nityameva, always is there. Avasthitam ekarupam, remains in the same form. And an example is given, Aditya Prakashavata, like the light of the sun, which is uniform. Therefore, this consciousness, this Vijnanam, Asya Asti, Atmanaha Asti. This Vijnanam of the Atma, this Atma is Vijnanam, Chaitanyam. So, which is uniform, which is unchanging, and it is Rajasthani Yasya Brahmanaha. It is comparable to the king of this city. The city is the Shariram, and the king is this Atma, which is Vijnanam, which is Atma, which is Vijnanam, which is Brahmatma. This is Brahmatma, which is of the nature of consciousness, is that Brahmatma, Brahmanaha, comparable to a Raja, the king. That is the meaning. Up to that we saw. Now the next paragraph I will read. Yasya idam puram
यस्य इदं
यस्य इदं पुरं तं
Parameshwaram
परमेश्वरं
Paraswaminam Anushtaya Gyatva
पुरस्वामिनम्
पुरस्वामिनम्
अनुष्ठाय
अनुष्ठाय
ज्ञात्वा
ज्ञात्वा
Dhyanam hi
ध्यानं हि
Tasya Anushtanam
तस्य
तस्य
अनुष्ठानं
अनुष्ठानं
Samyak Vijnana Purvakam
सम्यक्
सम्यक्
विज्ञानपूर्वकम्
विज्ञानपूर्वकम्
Yasya idam puram tam parameshwaram paraswaminam anushtaya. Paraswami, Puraswamin, Nakaranta. Swami, Swaminau, Swaminah, the current Shabda. Puraswaminam. The Swami who is obtained in this, the body. Who is obtaining in the body. In the, who is obtaining in the body as the Swami, the master. Yasya idam puram. To whom this Puram, the city, belongs. Tam, who is that? He is Parameshwara. This is Aikyam. We are talking about this Yashti Shariram, and that Yashti Shariram, the one who is a Swami. This Puram Sharira, this Puram Shariram, in the Puram Shariram, the Swami who is there, who is he? He is Paramatma, he is Parameshwara. Mahavakya Subhashikara. This Atma, this Avakra Cheta, Avakra Chetaha is Paramatma, Parameshwara. Tam Dhyatva. Anushtaya is Dhyatva. Anushtaya is equal to Dhyatva, having meditated on this Puraswami, who is Parameshwara, Paramatma, having meditated on this Paramatma, and he is obtained in the body. Yashti Sharire, Labdam. Yashti Sharire, obtaining the body as what? As the Swami, as the Puraswami. Dhyatva. Dhyanam hi tasya anushtanam samyak vijnana purvakam. Dhyanam. Dhyanam is what? Dhyanam is meditation. What meditation? What does it mean, meditation? Meditation, dhyanam, can be of two kinds, two types. One is Saguna Dhyanam, other one is Nirguna Dhyanam. Saguna Brahma Dhyanam, Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam. Saguna Brahma Dhyanam is that where you have a form of the Brahma. You have the form of the Brahma, Brahma Chaitanyam, Brahma, which is given a form, and you meditate on that. All the Devata Dhyanam comes under Saguna Brahma Dhyanam. There is only a vritti, Sajatiya vritti. Vijatiya nivritti, Pravaha, Sajatiya vritti Pravaha, that is called Saguna Brahma Dhyanam. Manasa Vyapara. Manasa Vyapara is called Dhyanam, meditation. And there is a Sajatiya vritti, meditating on a particular form of the Devata, and the thoughts, all the thoughts are connected to the Devata, meditating on the attributes or the qualities or the Rupam, Saguna Brahma Dhyanam. And Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam, how can you meditate on on that which is Nirguna, which is formless, doesn't have any attributes? If at all Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam is there, it can be only Nididhyasana. If somebody says, I'm doing Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam, Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam means it can be only Nididhyasana. It can do only Nididhyasana. Other than what Dhyanam is possible. What is Nididhyasana? For Nididhyasana, the person must have known Atma. Then only Nididhyasana is possible. Nididhyasana is reflecting on the teachings of the Shastra as unfolded by the Guru, as unfolded by the teacher, and the unfolding is in keeping with the Parampara. Then only Nididhyasana is possible. So, Nididhyasanam preceded by Guru Upasadanam, Shravanam and Mananam. Then only Nididhyasanam. Nididhyasanam is not for gaining Atmajnanam. Atmajnanam already obtained. Atmajnanam is already, it is gained. Atmajnanam is by Shravanam. From the Shastram, Shastra Pramanam, when exposed to the Shastram, the Shastra Shravanam, when Shastra Shravanam is done, then Atmajnanam Bhavati, Atmajnanam happens. So, pramanam for Atma Jnanam is Shravanam, Shastra Shravanam. So, Nididhyasanam is not a pramanam. Shravanam is a pramanam. So, Shravana matrena jnanam bhavati. So, then what is for Nididhyasanam? Nididhyasanam is only for removing the viparyaya, the orientation, the opposite orientation, what one has because of the habitual thinking, the habitual mistakes. To correct the habitual mistakes, one needs to do nididhyasana, reflect on what has been received, the knowledge which has been received has to be well assimilated. It has to become one with you. That habitual mistakes, because of habitual mistakes, there should not be gap. That is why nididhyasanam is recommended. So nididhyasanam doesn't produce jnanam. Therefore, it is not a pramanam. Nididhyasanam means reflecting on the teaching to remove all the possible, the habitual mistakes. Viparjaya nivritti. For that only nididhyasanam. So, therefore, nididhyasanam is called dhyanam here. Nididhyasanam is dhyanam. This jnanam, which is of two types. This jnanam, atma jnanam, it is of two types: paroksha and aparoksha. Paroksha and aparoksha. By Shravanam, what jnanam happens? By Shravanam, aparoksha jnanam. In the beginning, the Atma or the Brahma is considered to be something different. Brahma asti. That is paroksha jnanam. Brahma asti, Satchit Ananda, Brahma asti, paroksha jnanam. That Brahma asmi, it has to become asmi. That is aparoksha jnanam. That aparoksha jnanam, it happens when Shravanam is done. When you receive the Upadesha from the Guru, Tattvamasi, aparoksha jnanam. Therefore, both paroksha jnanam and aparoksha jnanam, both are from Shravana. Shravana prapti only, both are. Now, Brahma asti becomes Brahma asmi. That aparoksha jnanam, when it takes place, that the jnanam is with pratibandha. It is pratibandha jnanam. It is pratibandha jnanam. Even though Guru says, Tat Tvam Asi, that Brahma asti, it has to become Brahma asmi. In that, there is a pratibandha, obstruction. And therefore, that jnanam to be a apratibandha jnanam, unobstructed jnanam, nididhyasanam is required. So, nididhyasanam is for converting this pratibandha jnanam. Pratibandha jnanam is, it has not yet become paroksha. Aparoksha. It has not become aparoksha, it is paroksha. There is some pratibandha is there. When it is owned up, when Atma is myself, Brahma Asmi, when it is clearly understood, then becomes apratibandha jnanam. Atma jnanam is always aparoksha jnanam. When it is seen something to be gained, something to be achieved, when it is seen something to be different from me, then it is paroksha. So, that's aparoksha jnanam. When it is free from pratibandha, then apratibandha jnanam. That is possible. That is possible by removing all the viparyaya, all the opposite, the previous orientation, removing all the orientation. That is done by nididhyasanam. That is called dhyanam. That is called dhyatva. Anushtaya Dhyatva, Anushtaya is equal to Dhyatva. So Dhyanam hi tasya Anushtanam. Tasya Anushtanam is this Anushtanam. Anushtanam is Nididhyasanam. Tasya Anushtanam Samyak Vijnana Purvakam. This Anushtanam should be preceded by Vijnana Purvakam. Should be preceded by knowledge. So knowledge should have happened during the time of Shravanam. So Nididhyasanam is preceded by Shravanam. Samyak Vijnana Purvakam Tasya Anushtanam. Tasya Anushtanam. Tasya referring to the Atma. Atmanaha Anushtanam is preceded by the knowledge, which is preceded by the knowledge Samyak Vijnana Purvakam. Samyak Vijnanam, which is preceded by the knowledge which is proper knowledge. Proper means Samyak means the Jnanam which is Samyak. Samyak Vijnana Purvakam. So it is preceded by Shravanam and Mananam. It is preceded by Shravanam and Mananam. Samyak Vijnana Purvakam. Nididhyasanam preceded by knowledge, and the knowledge is also Samyak preceded by Shravanam and Mananam. The Samyak words, Samyak the word, it says clear knowledge. There is no doubt-free knowledge. Therefore, Mananam. So we can take the meaning of the word. Why Samyak Bhashyakara uses Samyak Vijnana means Vijnanam which is free from doubts. Vijnanam is knowledge that happens at the time of Shravanam. And after Shravanam, Mananam to be done so that Jnanam becomes free from errors, free from doubts. That is denoted by the word Samyak. So Samyak Vijnana Purvakam Nididhyasanam Kartavyam Anushtaya Anushtanam Bhavati iti. Then the next line. Tam sarveshana vinirmuktaha.
Tam
Tam
sarveshana
vinirmuktah.
Tam sarveshana vinirmuktaha san.
Tam sarveshana vinirmuktah
San.
Samam sarvabhutastam.
Samam
Samam
sarvabhutastham
sarvabhutastam.
Dhyatva na shochati.
Dhyatva na
Yatva na
shochati.
shochati.
Tam sarveshana vinirmuktaha san. Samam sarvabhutastam dhyatva. Sarveshana vinirmuktaha. Sarva yeshana. Yeshana is desires. Putreshana, Lokeshana, Vitteshana. So, Yeshana or that which binds the sadhaka, and therefore it becomes a pratibandha, the pursuit of moksha. So therefore this Yeshana Trayam, Putreshana, Lokeshana, Vitreshana. Therefore, Sarva Yeshana Trayam Vinirmuktaha, being free from, having become free from this Yeshana Trayam, Sun, being free from Sun, referring to that person. Sarveshana Vinirmuktaha, Sun, being free from this Yeshana Trayam, Sarvabhutastam Tam Dhyatva, Tam, the one who resides in all the beings, Sarvabhutastam. Sarvabhutastam. What is Sarvabhutastam? Who is that Sarvabhutastaha? Sarva Bhute Tishtati. Yaha Atma, Paramatma, Tam Dhyatva, Na Shochati. The Atma, Paramatma, who resides in all the beings. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra, sarvam cha mayi pashyati, tasyaham na pranashyami, sachamena pranashyati. The 6th chapter, Gita, Bhagavan Krishna says, Yaha mam pashyati sarvatra, sarvam cha mayi pashyati, tasya aham na pranashyami. There is no destruction for that person who sees everywhere, me alone, and who sees everything in me alone. For him, there is no destruction, no shoka, na pranashyati. He doesn't get destroyed. He doesn't get destroyed. He is free from samsara. He is free from samsara. Sarva bhuta stitam yomam rajate kattamha stitaha sarvatha vartamanopi sayogi mahi vartate आत्मौपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः. Gita, 6th chapter, Bhagavan Krishna says, Sarvabhutastam Atmanam Aham Yaha Pashyati, the one who sees, Saga Dhyatva Na Shochati. Sorry. So, Sarva Bhutastam Tam Jyatva, having meditated on this Puras Swami, who is Sarva Bhuteshu Vartate, who is dwelling in all the bodies. So, it means I am not only the Swami of this Shariram alone, I am the Swami of all the Shariram. It means I, the Atma, which is Chit, Chaitanyam, and as Sat, it is Satchit Rupena, Sarveshu Bhuteshu Vartate. I alone is there in all the bodies. All the bodies, because of Upadhi, there is a Veda. But that Veda is Mithya. The Veda is Mithya. Therefore, this Atma which is Abedaha, the Jnani who enjoys his Abeda Drishti, he doesn't grieve, na shochati. The Jnani who sees the pot, who sees the clay, who sees the pot and other articles made of clay, it sees pot, clay, lid, so many different articles he sees, but he knows everything is nothing but clay. He has got that clay darshanam, mrita darshanam is there, that abeda darshanam, abeda drishti is there. Even though he sees the many objects, different types of objects, of different sizes made of clay, he sees different pots are there, pots are different, but he sees everything as clay alone. He sees everything as clay alone. That abeda drishti is there. So, similarly, many bodies are there, but Jnani knows body being different, body being mithya upadhi. What is there is this Satchit Atma alone resides in all the bodies. Therefore, this understanding, that is, this Atma is not different from Paramatma, and Paramatma is Sarvavyapi, Sarvagataha, is Sarvabhuteshu Tishtati iti Gyatva Saha na Shochati. He has the vision, he has the appreciation that I alone resides in everybody, that I is equated with Paramatma, Parameshwara. So when he knows that, Aham Brahma Asmi, na Shochati, he becomes free from samsara. Shochati, Shochanam is samsara. Free from samsara. That's why Vimuktaha Bhavati. Vishokaha Bhavati. He becomes free from Shoka. Vimuktaha, Vishokaha. Then further Vashikara says, Tad Vijnanat Abhaya Praptehe.
tat vijnanat abhaya praptehe
Shoka Avasara Abhavat.
shoka
शोकावसर
avasara
अभावात्
अभावात्
Utaha Bhayeksha.
utah
भयेक्षा
भयेक्षा
Tad Vijnanat Abhaya Praptehe. Abhaya Prapti. Dvaitadhi Bhayam Bhavati. Dvaitam only creates fear. The cause of fear is Dvaita Darshanam. Dvaita Bhavana. Now he has got Advaita Darshanam. There is no Dvaitam. Therefore, he becomes fearless. Abhayaha. Abhayaha. Bhayaha na vartate yasya. Abhayaha. Abhaya prapti. He gains He gains Abhaya. So, Tad Vijnana. Because of the knowledge. Because of this Aikya Jnanam. Aikya Jnanat. Jiva Ishvara Aikya Jnanat. This Veda Drishti, which is the cause for fear, is gone. Therefore, Abhaya Praptihi, Abheda Drishtya Abhaya Praptihi, Abhaya Prapti because of Jnanam. Therefore, Tat Vijnanat, since there is the gaining of this Abhaya Prapti because of that knowledge. What knowledge? Brahma Jnana. Atma, Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya Jnanam. Jiveshwara, Aikya Jnanam. Therefore, because of this, Shoka Avasara Abhavat, there is no Shoka. Avasara is chance, occasion. There is no Abhavat, absence of Shoka Avasara. There is no occasion for Shoka because of Abhaya Prapti. When Abhaya Prapti is there, where is the chance? Where is the occasion for sorrow to occur? It is not there. Kutaha Bhayeksha. Where is fear for him? How can he see fear? Bhaya Iksha. Bhaya Iksha. Bhayasya Iksha. Bhayasya Iksha. Bhayeksha. Where is seeing fear for him? He doesn't have fear. Shoka Avasara Abhavat. Since there is no chance, no scope for worry, then what can create fear for that person who has got this Abheda Darshanam, Advaita Darshanam? Therefore, Tasya Bhayaha Tasya Bhayaha na bhavati. Therefore, Shoka is not there for that person. Nothing can create fear. Nothing can create fear and nothing can create Shoka for that person. Next line. Ihaiva avidyakrita kama karma bandhanaihi.
Ihaiva avidyakrita
avidyakrita
kama
kama
karma
karma
bandhanaihi
bandhanaihi
Vimuktaha bhavati.
Vimuktaha
vimuktaha
bhavati.
bhavati.
When that jnanam happens, that very moment, here itself, iha eva, it is not after maranam, iha eva, sadhya eva, immediately, here itself he becomes vimuktaha, he becomes free. It's called sadhya mukti, jivan mukti. He becomes free, sadhya eva. Iga referring to while living. While living, therefore, jivan. Jivan eva muktaha bhavati. Avidya krita kama karma bandhanaihi vimuktaha bhavati. He becomes free from avidya krita kama karma bandhana. Bandhana is bondage. The bondage is because of the papa punya, karma, and karma is because of kama, and the kama is because of avidya. So avidya is the cause. When the root is cut, the whole vriksha, samsara vriksha, falls down. So avidya krita kama karma bandhana, that is samsara. That's an expression. Avidya kama karma is samsara. So you become ajnanam. Samsara karanam is ajnanam, avidya. So he becomes free from ajnanam, avidya, becomes free. Bandhanehi vimuktaha bhavati. So karma is karma pala, papa punyam. He is free from avidya goes away. When avidya goes away, then where is karma? And therefore where is papa punya? Not there. Only when avidya is there, kama will be there, ragadvesha will be there. Then only karma, and therefore karma palam, papa punyam, that becomes the karanam for samsara. But now, for this person, there is no avidya. Therefore, avidya krita, the products of avidya are not there. Therefore, he becomes free. Vimuktaha bhavati. Iha eva, ihaiva, here alone, here itself. Vimuktascha san vimuchyate.
विमुक्तश्च सन् विमुच्यते
Punaha shariram na gृह्णाति ityartah.
पुनः
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 शरीरं न
शरीरं
शरीरं
न
न
गृह्णाति
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 इत्यर्थः।
इत्यर्थः
Vimuktaha san. San is Shatranta, being free. San from the as dhatu. As means to be sattayam, as. Being free. Vimuktaha san, vimuchyate. Being free, he becomes free. He is free. What does it mean? It means punaha shariram na gೃह्णाति. He doesn't assume, he doesn't take up another new shariram. When maranat, param, after maranam, punaha, again, he doesn't take a new shariram, he becomes videha muktaha, he becomes free. There is no janma again for that person. Now, here, a doubt may come. That person gained jnanam, and that person gained jnanam, and the person becomes free. But Atma is one and the same in all the bodies. So if that person gains jnanam and release, then everybody else also will be released simultaneously. Is it not so? Now, Bhashikara dismisses that doubt, and that he presents in the form of a Sangati to the next mantra. Satu
सतु
Naika Sharira Puravarti Eva Atma.
नैक शरीर पुरवर्ति एव
शरीरपुरवर्ती
आत्मा
एव आत्मा
Kim Tarhi
किं
किं
तर्हि
किं
तर्हि
तर्हि
Sarvapuravati
सर्वपुरवर्ती
सर्वपुरवर्ति
सर्वपुरवर्ती
Sa Atma, that Atma, to Na Eka Sharira Puravarti Eva. The Atma is not dwelling in one body, is not dwelling in one body like the city. The Atma, it is not dwelling in one body. Body is comparable to the city. Then Kim Targi, then if not dwelling in one body, then where it is, how is it? Sarvapuravarti. It is dwelling in all the upadis. Then Pura and Puraswami. Puraswami located in Puram at a time only. When he is in a Puram, in a city, he is located in that city only. He is not located in another city. But this Sharira Swami is located is compared to the Shariram is compared to the city, and the Sharira Swami is compared to the Puraswami. But unlike Puraswami, this Sharira Swami, it is not dwelling in one body alone. He is in all the bodies. As Paramatma, he dwells in all the bodies. Sarva Puravarti, this Sharira Swami, Atma. So, Natu Eka Sharira Puravarti. Atma na Eka Sharira Puravarti. He doesn't dwell just in one body. Kim Targi, what then? Sarva Puravarti. He is dwelling in all the Pura, all the cities, all the Upadis. Katham. So if it is dwelling all the Upadis, the release of one person must be the release of all the persons. No, that is not like that. The Bhashikara, through this mantra, he explains that. But we will read the mantra. It's a beautiful mantra. It has got swarag. This mantra is got swarag in Mahanarayana Upanishad. I think the same mantra is there in Mahanarayana Upanishad. There it has got swarag. But here in Kathopanishad, it doesn't have swarag. So we will read that. We can repeat. Hamsashuchishat
हंसशुचिषत्
शुचिष्यत्
Vasurantarikshat
वसुरन्तरिक्षसत्
होता वेदिषत्
होता
होता
वेदिषत्
वेदिषत्
अतिथिर्दुरो नसत्
अतिथिर्दुरो न सत्
अतिथिर्दुरो न सत्
नृषद्वरसदृसत्
नृषद्वरसत्
नृषद्वरसत्
नृषद्वरसदृतसत्
दृशवरसदृतस्
नृषद्वरसत्
दृशद्वरसत्
ऋतसत्
ऋतसत्
व्योम व्योमसत्
व्योमसत्
अब्जा
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 गोजा ऋतजा
गोजा ऋतजा
अद्रिजा
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 ऋतं मृगत्
ऋतं
ऋतं
बृहत्
बृहत्
This, in fact, it is chanted in the other Upanishad. Amsashuchishadvasurantarikshasadhota vedishatatirduro nasat nrishadvarasadhritassadyobasat abja goja ritaja adrija ritam brigat. Anyway, here it is not chanted like that. It's a beautiful mantra. This mantra you would not be able to understand if Bhashyam is not there. Because every word has got different meaning. Bhashyakara gives a meaning of every word by the one is by the Vyutpatti. Through the Vyutpatti, it connects the word to something else. So without Bhashya, it is impossible to understand this mantra. So we will read this Bhashyam the next class. So we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।